I have a full face of RMS Beauty makeup. This is the final look. Let's walk through it. I have been using RMS Beauty since it came out many years ago. It was one of the first clean beauty brands I turned to when I started having all of my autoimmune illness really affect my life, and I needed to make options that were better for me. Always been performance driven. It's always been in my professional makeup artist kit. And when I do my own makeup on set for modeling jobs, it is always what I reach for. Now, with the moisturizer, I have an acne prone skin type. I used a new product this week and you can see I had a huge breakout, and I think it was partially because my skin was super dry and dehydrated, so I'm going back to this moisturizer all winter long. Going in with the Uncover Up. This is one of my all-time favorite products. It is the most skin-like concealer. You can use it really full coverage. I mean, that blemish is healing. Look at that. It just took 2 seconds. And if you have dry skin, more mature skin, it's going to look amazing on you. You can add a drop of beauty oil and even make like a little tinted moisturizer. I just like the brightness through the center of my face. Forgot to mention this brush. This was created to mimic Rosemary Swift's fingertip, how she pats into the skin, and I have so many of these brushes in my professional makeup kit. It is so good. This is the Sun Cover Up Super Tint I Am Shade Buff. This has mineral SPF 30 in it. I'm noticing right away that this is really dewy, but it's very sheer and gives you a very skin-like finish. What do we think? That's so pretty. This is Beach Walk Betty. If you have never tried bronzer or you are afraid of it, this is the bronzer for you. It truly is like you were sun-kissed at the beach. No terracotta like clay color. And I like to swipe it across my face like this because that's where the sun would naturally hit. I do a little bit of that and then go up onto my forehead. If you're afraid of bronzer, this layers so like sheer and skin-like. You will really love it. You really can't overdo it. We're going in with lip lights. This is probably my new favorite product, new discovery. It's a pH changing lip product that will adjust to the pH of your skin, and it has really amazing ingredients in it that are actually going to hydrate your lips, and we love the applicator. It gives just like the prettiest pink color. Hanky Panky is my favorite shade of RMS blush. It is this really wearable berry tone. This tone might look dark, but it is so beautiful on so many different skin tones. Lighter complexions than mine and much deeper. I have this in my professional kit and I, again, cannot live without it. Look how pretty. Just really natural. This is the Living Luminizers powder, kind of younger sister. I mean, just like that finish on a powder is crazy. It's so skin-like and you really can't overdo it. Let's fill in my brows. This is the Back to Brow powder. This is shade dark. I just kind of fill in a little bit just to give my eyebrows a little more definition. I really like having light hair and a dark brow. This is Daytime Nude. It's a really just pretty wearable lip liner. I use this a lot on brides. And because it's on your lips, you are directly swallowing this. So I always say, if you're curious about clean beauty, better for you, beauty, start with a lip product. This is our final look. What do you guys think? I think it's so pretty, glowy, dewy. It's good for your skin and like really wearable. That's my whole mantra with makeup. I love a glam, I love an editorial look, but to me, makeup needs to speak to, it can work on any age and work in multiple scenarios. Like I can still take this makeup and do a day and a night look and I still look like myself. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried RMS Beauty? It's been my go-to for so many years.